Hi guys, Chris here from Dr. Boom Fireworks. Tonight we're going to do a 60-second show consisting of two different items. The first going to be Super Fireworks Sunny Island 48 shot 500 gram duration cake. This is a 60-second long cake. Great value for the money, somewhere right around $43. And we're going to be firing off 12 artillery shells. They are Miracle Max Explosion, color changing artillery shells. These have a nice comet to them. These kits are around $29 for the box. We'll wire that up into one of our racks here and fuse it so it goes off. It's 60 seconds as well. So they'll be firing together in tandem.